How to get 8TG registration certificate. Under the Income Tax Act, certain contribution or donations are eligible for a tax reduction under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act 1961. For other non-profits, must apply for registration and are intentionally scrutinized by the IT department before being granted such a certification. This is because such institutions tend to attract a large number of donations from corporates and individuals looking to give to charity while saving on tax. So, in this video, let us know about from 80G, what is 80G certificate and how to get 80G certificate, 80G registration steps. What are the steps for 80G registration? I will let you know in this video. So, first thing, eligibility for 80G exemptions. Only donations made to charities prescribed under category 80G are eligible for an 80G deduction and 80G registration. Charities with a religious or business angle are not typically granted 80G certification. Also, gifts made to trusts operating outside India, a foreign trust, are not eligible for a tax deduction. Similarly, if you are donating for a private trust which is not registered under the 80G certification or have given any funding for a political party, you cannot avail for tax exemption for the amount donated. It will be computed as your taxable income. Tax deduction under 80G. There are some funds which are specified under 80G or wherein the taxpayer is eligible for an exemption. However, there are certain specifications as to the mode of the payment, the percentage eligible for deduction, and so on. What are the payment mode? The 80G of the Income Tax Act declares that contribution to the funds should be made in the form of checks or demand drafts. In case of such cash contribution, the amount should be below 10,000 for it to be eligible for a tax deduction. Any contribution made in kind like clothes, gift, items or foods cannot be claimed as a donation for tax exemption. What are the percentage of contribution eligible for deduction? So not all funds come under 80G category. Even then, only donation to individual funds receive a 100% tax exemption for the amount paid. The others are only categorized for 50% tax exemption. Here is the complete list of funds which are eligible for either a 100% and 50% tax exemption. Any other donations to the trust or NGO that are not specified in this list, and which do not have an 80G certification are not eligible for tax exemption. It is therefore essential for trust and NGOs or welfare societies which are looking for donations from fellow citizens to go ahead and apply for an 80G certification. What are the documents required as proof? If we have donated towards a fund or charitable institution with an 80G certificate, you are required to submit, apart from the usual documents for filing returns, stamp receipt like that, a stamp receipt for the donations made. Wherever a donation is made towards for the donate amount, the receipt should contain the stamp of organization name, date, and PAN number. Is mandatory in the receipt. Form 58 for donation made towards fund with 100% exemption. A Form 58 from the organization is also necessary. The receipt should also contain the registration number, etc. certificate number. The receipt from the registered organization always has the number printed on them. However, if you cannot locate it on the receipt, ask for it for a file for the tax exemption, how to applying for ATG certificate. An ATG certification is one that is guaranteed to certain not-for-profit organization by the income tax department, granting their donors the ability to avail of a tax deduction on donation. To apply for a ATG certificate, however, the organization must have a 12-day certificate. Only NGOs and non-profitable institutions with a 12-day certificate are eligible for ATG certification. To get an ATG certificate, the organization has to fill in Form 10G and attach its activity report for the past 1 to 3 years with an audited statement for the past 3 years, or even from the date of establishment in certain cases. The Form 80G registration is available on the IT department website. After scrutinize your application, the activity report and audited statement, and IT officer will pay a visit to your premises for an inspection. Eligibility for ATG certification. Not all NGOs or trusts are eligible for ATG certification. There are certain rules which need to be followed to obtain it. Here are the details under the which the government can reject your claim for an ATG certification. Separation of business and charity. As a non-profit organization, if the entity is involved with any business financial transaction which do not account for donations alone, you might have to segregate it. If not, your ATG certification request will be rejected. No misuse. The donation received so far towards the cause should not be misused on any account or used for any other purposes. Even within the organization, a strict accounting is essential to show as proof. No religious activity. Any NGO trust which is operated as a part of an activity which involves religious preaching or for a particular caste or creed is not eligible for ATG certification. Proper accounting. As mentioned earlier, the accounting books and all transactions should be kept as proof before applying for ATG. DC documents will be scrutinized thoroughly before ATG certification is issued. What are the tax benefits to the organization? The ATG certification not only provides the donors with a tax exemption on the amount donated, depending upon the annual income of the donor, but also gives tax benefit to the non-profitable organization. The institution can get a exemption of 10% for the gross income earned through donations and contribution. Moreover, the income tax department has the power to approve or reject such approval upon disqualification of the non-profit organization or dissatisfaction found the department toward the NGO's activities. Indeed, the primary role of ATG certification is to encourage donors to donate funds to the non-profit organization with the certain donors can save reduce their tax liability by up to 10% for 50% of the amount donated. What are the documents requirement? What are the requirements for ATG certificate? If a non-profit organization is undertaking any business, it has to maintain a separate account and should not mix the donations they receive for a social cause. Other than the charitable cause, so the organization or its allies by laws should not represent any other cause. None of the donations can be spent towards anything but the charitable cause. The organization shall not be applied for HTG if it supports religion-based, caste, or creed-based activities. The organization should be registered under the Society Registration Act 1860 or registered under the Section 25 of the Companies Act 2013. However, the income tax department has the power to approve or reject such approval upon disqualification of the non-profit organization or dissatisfaction found by the department towards the non-profit organization activities. If you need for any consultation about ATJ certification, or if you need the for further information about this ATJ certification, how to obtain your obtain the ATJ registration certificate for your NGO, so you can contact with us. We will always help you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share it.